Hello everyone, welcome in our channel Microbe Academy. If you are a B.Sc Microbiology student under Tribhuvan University or planning to join, this video is exactly for you. Today, I will walk you through the complete syllabus of General Microbiology for the first year. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand what topics you need to study and how the course is structured under the Tribhuvan University. So let's start with the basics. The course is called General Microbiology with a course code MB101, and it is a theory paper with full marks of 100, pass marks 35, and the total lecture hour will be 150. And this course builds your foundation in microbiology, which is essential for all the upcoming subjects. After the completion of this course, you will be able to understand the microorganisms, their history, classification, and applications, and learn about the growth, metabolism, genetics, and physiology of microbes. Get the basic knowledge of bacteriology, virology, mycology, and parasitology. In simple words, this subject is your entry point into the microbial world. Now, let's break down the syllabus topic by topic. First of all, you will learn history and development. Here, you will learn how microbiology developed over time, including major discoveries, theory like spontaneous generation, germ theory of diseases. Important scientists like Louis Pasteur and Robert Koch are covered here. Similarly, in the next topic, you will learn classification and nomenclature. And it is a very important section where you will learn the classification of microorganisms, difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, three kingdom and five kingdom system, basics of bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa. You will also study Berger's manual for the bacterial classification. Okay, now the next topic include scope and application. Here you will learn how microbiology is used in the real life, in the medical and public health, agriculture and food industries, environmental and industrial, microbiology, etc. And the next topic is morphology of bacteria, where we will study the structure of bacterial cell, the cell organelles, and the difference between gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. And the next topic you will cover in this subject is growth and physiology of bacteria, where we will study nutritional type of bacteria, bacterial growth curve, transportation mechanisms, and the factor affecting the microbial growth. And under the topic isolation and culture techniques, we will learn the very practical isolations, enumerations, and culture techniques used in the microbiology laboratory, where we will study culture media, strict plate, pour plate, and a spread plate for the enumeration of bacteria, and microscopic counting methods, aerobic and anaerobic culture techniques, etc. Next topic is metabolism. Under this topic, you will learn the introduction to metabolism, regulation and energy involvement in glycolysis, TCA cycle, electron transport system, and several fermentative pathways. And the next topic is microbial genetics. Under this topic, you will learn the structure and function of prokaryotic DNA, the genetic code, plasmids, concepts of bacterial genetics, and bacterial recombination that include the transformation, conjugation, and transduction, and the types and importance of mutation. And the next topic is microscopy and different techniques for handling of microorganisms. Under this topic, you will learn the microscopes, several types of microscopes, and the working principle of those microscopes, and types of staining and the nature of the stain using the microbiology, and the several aseptic techniques using microbiology. And the next topic is technique in control of microorganisms. Under this topic, You will learn the principle, procedure, and application of disinfections and sterilization, temperature, irradiation, ultrasonication, filtration, chemicals, and antibiotics and chemotherapeutics agents used in the control of microorganisms. And next topic is host parasite interactions. And in this topic, we will learn the normal microbial flora of our body and their concept of host parasite relationship and the basics of the immunity. And next topic is introduction to virology. And under this topic, we will learn the general structure of the viruses, their classification schemes, viral genetics, and the detection of viruses by several serological tests and cultivations of viruses, and also the detection of viruses using the several molecular methods like PCR. And the next topic includes Introduction to Parasitology, where we will study the types of parasites, their origin, morphology, and classifications of the parasite based on the blood, tissue, intestinal parasites, and soil transmitted helminths and nematodes, techniques of their detections and enumerations, and the identification of protozoan and several helminthic parasites. And the next topic include the introduction to mycology. And under this topic, we will learn the origin, morphology, and medical classification of fungi, the techniques of isolation, enumerations, culture, and the morphological identification for the identification of fungi. So that's the complete syllabus of B.Sc Microbiology first year General Microbiology, Tribhuvan University. If you found this helpful, please like the video, comment your questions, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for the more microbiology content. And in upcoming videos, I will explain each topic in detail, chapter by chapter. Till then, see you in the next video.